Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. I hope you will be fine and my good wishes always with you. Today I am sharing the different amazing prefab home ideas. In this video you can see that and different answer of your questions. What are prefab homes and how to sustainable prefab home and why are you choosing the prefab home and the different modular flexibility of the prefab home and the smart prefab home and different ideas of the minimalist designs and the off-grid livings and the 3D prefab homes. All these things discussed about in this video. Please keep watching and the end of these videos. How to start these videos, the different amazing the 40 plus prefab home ideas. In this video today we are diving into the fantastic world of prefab home and we are exploring some of the top trending amazing the features of the modern living. Whether you are a potential the homeowners or simply curious about the innovative housing solution, then this video is for you. First of all, we discuss about what are the prefab home, how to choose the very amazing and trending, and start with this basic prefab home. The shots are the prefabricated homes actually are the house that are partially are the entirely manufactured off sites and then transported to the construction sites for assembly. These homes are gaining very eminent popularity due to their the efficiency and the sustainability. How to sustainable the prefab home? Our first trending the different amazing sustainability of prefab home. People are very increasingly looking for the eco-friendly house options are searching, and prefab homes are delivering from the energy efficient designs to the use of sustainable materials. These homes are reducing their environment's footprint. The second thing is the modular flexibility. Another hot trend is the modern flexibility. Prefab home offer the customizable model that can be arranged to suit your needs. Whether you want to add a home office, expand your living space, or create the multi-generations home, modular designs provide the flexibility to adopt. Next thing, the smart prefab homes. The smart prefab home is very amazing and the wild, but we are the things on the rise in the smart prefab home. These houses come equipped with the latest technology, including the energy management system, security features, and the smart appliances, all the seamlessly integrated into the designs. Next thing is very important. Prefab homes can be offered the minimalist aesthetics and the focusing on the open space and the natural colors and the places and the culture-free environments. And these